everyone, do not be friends with Mark Cruz because he's really saying me bad words. This guy has no really how show his mercy he was. Oh, before I upload that in my TikTok account, in my YouTube video, I will show the screenshot and I will grab it to the mother of Mark Cruz, even the uncle. You know, I say to you, Mark Cruz, I accepted your challenge about your Hot Wheels race. Do not say me a bad words, an asshole word. Me, I never say a bad words at Kuya Rodelio the Guman. I never say bad words at Nanay Ningning. I learn how to be respect. Me, for example, when I say a bad words anyway in social media, Christian Mingito, you are a friend of Mark Cruz. You need to tell Mark Cruz to go to therapy. To stop saying bad words. You know, I was there in CDIF. I never say bad words. Oh. You remember Klaus? He was reprimanded by Ate Marie. Oh. He said that, wag ka magmura, Klaus. Oh. When Paulo Cuba shared me a story, when alongside with Ate Vicky. Oh. What did I say to Klaus? He never say bad words. This is hard to say, Mark Cruz. You're just like Paulo Cruzada version of Laguna. That's why you should not say bad words in social media. As I'm a blogger, I never say a bad words. Unlike me, I never say bad words at Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh, I never say bad words. How would I say a bad words? Oh, you know, Mark Cruz. Anyway, limit your foul languages. It's really getting angry. It's little creating nonsense. Oh, do not say bad words. Like me, I was told by Luis Cabales, oh, your bad words anyway is not teaching of Christian. Oh, me as I'm a Shia Muslim, I never say bad words. That's disgraceful for Jesus and Prophet Muhammad. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, you're a Catholic. If I were you, I want to shoot you a pellet gun together with Shania Kiana. I will smash Mark Cruz gadget. If I was there in Laguna. Is this what you like to say a bad words? Huh? And you calling me, what is that word? Fuck you, the bad words. Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. It's not really good. At least Paula Colin Nunez and Roylan Marlang were right. Oh, at least my friend Roylan had said to me, oh, do not say bad words. You didn't listen. You saying bad words many times, and you repeating many times, repetitive, and you saying about you calling me an asshole word. This is very nice. You call me asshole. If I were you, Mark Cruz, I will tell this to Dan Mardayaw. I will tell this to Cedric Mariano. I will call out to all the ASP. Block Mark Cruz in Instagram and Face, even Threads, even whatsoever. Block him. Even I asked Tera Francisco, block Mark Cruz. Even Franco Morales. Oh, Franco Morales, you never say bad words. because he imitate Larry Chuanico and Bomber Nando. For me, I do not say bad words when I made my YouTube blog. For me, I never say bad words like this. You know, when I was kicked out in CDIFI, I always say I will always say bad words at Prince Gun. What does Teacher May says? Do not say bad words. Oh, you know, for me, unlike Wawel Romero and Yvette, they never say bad words. Unlike Kathleen Canete and Buddy Castro, they never say bad words. Oh, what about Roydan Marlang? Oh, he never say bad words. You, Marcos, you need to stop with your bad words. It's so regretful. It's so annoying. It's so bad influence. I said before, when I did to Nanay Ningning, I treated her as second mother. Oh, I mean third mother. Oh, my first mother, my mom. Oh, my second mother is Nanay Adeling. Oh, my third mother is Ate Rona. Is from CDIFI. Oh, I met her 2006. So during the time I was with Teacher Maxi, I was with Lawrence Villawan. Oh, even the fourth, Nanay Ningning is my fourth mother. Oh, when I apologize, Nanay Ningning, I never say bad words at her. What did I call that before? During the wedding of Ate Hana and Kuya Mel, when I comment to Nanay Ningning in Instagram, I said, all the Germans are very stupid. You're an asshole. Oh, that's a bad word. You, Mark, you're special. We are special too. We are autism too. You have to show your respect. What you're saying are bad words. It's not really nice. Why I bash Sam Rascal? Oh, Sam Rascal doesn't like bad words. Oh. Oh, I don't want to say bad words. Anyway, show little respect or privacy of my opinion. Do not debate about my opinion that I support Palestine, that I support Hezbollah. And even Marcos is supporting Israel and United States. Even European Union, which was allied by Carbilus. You know, Marcos, limit your bad words, or else you will get you in trouble.